Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 14. Only two announcements this week. The first one is voice. Reminder that you have a wonderful voice that you can use to help yourself and those coming after you. Student evaluations are an anonymous way to do that. I'm asking that at the appropriate time that you please complete the student evaluations. And if there was something that you feel so moved by, write it in the comments. For example, if that was something that you really liked, write that in the comments. If there's something that you did not like, write what would have made it better. So, for example, like I'm allergic to peanuts, so the teacher offering me peanuts is not very helpful to me. But what I would write in my comments is it would have been more beneficial to me if there were options of other nut butters, peanuts, almond, cashews. Get where I'm going? Because while we do not see who wrote the comments, we do get the comments. The only person that gets to see the information, absent of your names, is myself and the department chair. And that's how it is across the board. So that information, those comments are more beneficial to us than just the marks, because we know exactly where we're doing something great or where we can get better. Yeah? So please complete student evaluations, leaving comments. Leaving comments. Second thing, upcoming assignments. So on November 29th, you're going to submit the complete, notice I said the complete Worlds of Dance project. So throughout the semester, I broke it up into smaller tasks and I evaluated that smaller task. I gave you feedback. Ideally, you took that feedback, made whatever corrections you needed to make, because now when I go through and I grade, I'm going to be assessing. So please check back in those comments and make sure that you made whatever changes you needed to make for your group so that your group scores the highest points possible. On November 29th, you're submitting the complete presentation. So that means that complete PowerPoint or Google Slides, whichever platform your group was using, you're submitting that, and you're submitting that Word document that is a 10-question multiple choice quiz. So I should get two things from your group: the presentation, all of the slides, and that quiz. Yeah. Second thing, so I made a big faux pas. And because of my faux pas, I'm offering extra points, so extra credit, if you will. It's going to be phrased as the go and do number 2. I realized I forgot to write the details in, or I forgot to save them. I don't know, whatever. But what I'm going to do is offer that as a extra credit assignment. So it'll be in the system as 0 points, and it'll actually be worth 100 points. So if you do it completely and you get all of the points possible, then you would get 100 points. 0 is what you'll see. Those directions in that assignment will be made available to you by Tuesday, so right before break. And it's asking that you have gone to a live performance during the semester. So that means even if you went to something earlier in the semester, a live performance, you can write about that performance, but you do need to provide proof of attending that performance. That can be a ticket, a screenshot of you sitting in the audience, whatever that is. And if you have not, there are a lot of amazing performances in the Department of Theater and Dance. So once again, my mistake for not including the directions, not giving you access to the assignment. I don't know what happened, but because it happened and because we have to move forward, I'm offering it as a extra credit. So you completing that assignment, if you get all of the points possible, you would get 100 extra points. And some of you have been asking about the question that you've been asking. It is a performance analysis. So what does that mean? It means that you're taking all of the skills that you've gained ideally through the semester and putting them into action by going into and writing about a performance, right? So using that base, maybe you might need to you'll see the directions. So please look for those things and have a great week, everyone.